Costa has announced plans to sell a reusable cup of coffee called Clever Cup that doubles as a way to make payments through a removable NFC chip. In addition to getting the same 25p discount as using your own cup that you already have in the chain, the chip should theoretically allow you to leave your wallet in your pocket while you take your dose of coffee. The cup can offer this contactless payments technology thanks to a partnership with Barclays. His BPay initiative has already taken payment technology to devices that include wearable devices and smartwatches. A maximum of £15 credit can be added to the chip at once through the BPay application, and it should work anywhere contactless payments are accepted. By the way, this includes the rival coffee chain Pret a Manger, which offers a more substantial discount of 50p. Fundamentally, we are with anything that encourages people to pick up a reusable cup over disposable alternatives. Less than 1% of the billions of cups of coffee used in the UK each year are actually recycled due to a plastic polyethylene liner used to make them waterproof.